85-1.8S. What do those numbers mean on your lens? There we go. I'll tell you. 85 is the focal length. What the hell's the focal length, right? Well, the higher the number of the focal length, the more zoomed in your image is going to be. This would be about 100. This would be about 35. And we're at full frame, 50 millimeter lens right now, what we're recording with. So that's how it looks like. And I'm about 3 feet away from the camera. Next up, the dash just separates the two. 1.8, that's the f-stop. What is the f-stop? That's the aperture. What is the aperture of the lens? That's the iris of the lens that lets in or doesn't let in a certain amount of light. The larger that aperture is, or the lower the number, the more blurred the background is going to be, which is pretty hip right now, like I have going on right here, which is f1.8. If this was f16, it'd be a very small aperture, and it wouldn't let in a lot of light, but it would make everything in focus, including the background right now. Lastly, that S, that's just nomenclature for the S line of Nikon, and that is their best line, but that will be different for every manufacturer. Canon has their L line, for example. And that's it.